Jonathan Handford from Fine Country. Today we're in Radford Semele, a small village on the eastern periphery of Leamington Spa. We're surrounded by open countryside, yet we're 2 miles away from the town centre and the train station with a direct link into London. The house itself was built in 1966 and it's a substantial detached family home at just under 3,000 square feet. Let's take a look around. The accommodation is split over 4 staggered stories. The hero of the home is this large open plan living space which opens onto a breakfast kitchen which the current owners remodelled to incorporate what was originally a 4th reception room. So now there are 3 reception rooms, including a study and this large family room with sliding doors and views over the garden. Upstairs, there are a total of 5 bedrooms and the family bathroom. The main bedroom has an ensuite. One of the bedrooms also has a separate study area. Along with the cloakroom, there is also a dedicated laundry room, perfect for a large family. The property also has a tandem garage with cellar storage. There are mature gardens to the front, side and rear that extend to 1/4 of an acre. Williams Road is offered for sale with no chain. If you have any questions or if you would like a viewing, you can reach me on the contact information that will follow. Thanks for watching, have a great day.